Some motorcycles are built so well they make mechanics feel unemployed. These 7 bikes are so good, so reliable, they just don't quit, no matter how long you ride them. Let's get started. Number 7. Royal Enfield Classic 350, a motorcycle so simple and dependable it practically maintains itself. This bike has earned a legendary status for one reason: it just keeps going. Powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine, the Classic 350 is built for endurance, not drama. It runs cool, sips fuel, and delivers that steady thump riders have trusted for generations. Its air-cooled design means fewer parts to worry about. And maintenance is so easy you could practically do it with basic tools in your garage. Even mechanics admit, this bike rarely needs anything more than regular oil changes and basic servicing. The seat is wide and comfortable, the riding posture is upright, and the suspension feels surprisingly forgiving, making it perfect for long, relaxed rides. And because it's not overloaded with electronics, there's less that can go wrong. It's also built tough. The metal tank's solid frame and classic components are made to handle years of use without falling apart. And despite its old-school design, it still feels smooth and refined, proving that tradition and reliability can coexist. Every version of the Classic 350 holds the same core promise: ride more, fix less. It's reliable, honest, and built to survive rough roads in real life. If you're looking for a motorcycle that keeps rolling without complaining, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is proof that simplicity never breaks down. Number 6. Yamaha V Star 250. A small cruiser with a big reputation for reliability. This bike may look lightweight and simple, but that's exactly what makes it so bulletproof. Powered by a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine, the V Star 250 keeps things old school. No unnecessary electronics, no complex systems, just pure mechanical honesty. It's the kind of engine that can sit for months and still fire up without complaint. Maintenance is minimal, oil changes, chain care, and you're good to go. Even beginner riders say it's one of those bikes that asks for almost nothing but gives you everything. The low seat height and relaxed cruiser ergonomics make it an easy, confidence-building ride for all ages, especially for riders who just want to hop on and go without worrying about what's happening under the tank. It's not a fast bike, and it doesn't try to be. But that's the beauty of it. You get smooth power delivery, excellent fuel economy, and the kind of comfort that makes every short trip a joy. And the best part? Parts are cheap, available almost everywhere. And Yamaha's reputation for reliability means you'll rarely need them anyway. The V Star 250 is proof that sometimes less really is more. Fewer parts, fewer problems, and more miles of stress-free riding. Number 5. Honda Rebel 500. A bike that perfectly lives up to its name. It doesn't just rebel against complicated maintenance. It proves that reliable can still look cool. Under the tank, you'll find Honda's trusted 471cc parallel twin engine. Smooth, efficient, and nearly indestructible. This is the same engine platform Honda has used across multiple models. And it's known for one thing: it just doesn't quit. The Rebel 500 runs quietly, needs minimal attention, and delivers consistent power no matter how old it gets. Oil changes, chain adjustments, and regular checks. That's pretty much all it asks for. The bike's design is equally simple: low seat, lightweight, and balanced handling that makes it a favorite for both new riders and older ones who want comfort without complexity. You won't find unnecessary gadgets here, just a modern cruiser that focuses on the joy of riding, not the stress of fixing. Even mechanics admit, the Rebel 500 rarely visits their shop. And when it does, it's usually for something basic. Its build quality, refined engine, and reliable Japanese engineering make it one of the most dependable mid-sized bikes ever made. And the best part? It's stylish enough to turn heads, but humble enough to last for decades. The Honda Rebel 500 doesn't just avoid problems. It avoids drama too. Ride it, forget about it, and enjoy the road ahead. Number 4. Honda NC750X. A motorcycle that defines reliability and practicality in the real world. This bike was built with one clear purpose: to make riding easy, comfortable, and almost maintenance-free. It runs on a 745cc parallel twin engine known for its calm, steady performance and incredible fuel efficiency. It doesn't need high revs or fancy tuning, it just delivers smooth, predictable power every single time. What makes the NC750X so special is how effortlessly it fits into everyday life. It's as happy commuting through city traffic as it is cruising down the highway, and it rarely gives its owner any reason to visit the workshop. Honda designed it with long service intervals, simple maintenance points, and an engine that's proven to last well past 100,000 miles. Even the automatic DCT transmission option, normally a complex system, is remarkably reliable and hassle-free. The NC750X also comes with a built-in storage compartment where the fuel tank usually sits, which riders love for daily practicality. And because it's lightweight, well-balanced, and refined, it's an easy bike to enjoy for riders of all ages. In short, this isn't a flashy motorcycle, it's a dependable partner. The Honda NC750X is that rare machine that lets you focus on riding instead of repairs, proving once again why Honda continues to lead in real-world reliability. Number 3. Suzuki SV650. A motorcycle so reliable it's often called the forever bike. This machine has been around for decades, and it's earned that reputation the hard way, through years of flawless performance. The heart of the SV650 is its 645cc V-twin engine. Smooth, torquey, and incredibly durable. It's simple to maintain, runs cool, and handles everyday riding like it was born for it. Even after tens of thousands of miles, this bike just keeps on going. Mechanics often say they rarely see an SV650 in their shop, unless it's just coming in for an oil change or new tires. That's how solid it is. It doesn't leak, doesn't rattle, and doesn't need constant care. It just does its job quietly and consistently. The bike's lightweight frame and balanced suspension make it perfect for city commutes or weekend twisties. And despite being practical, it's still a ton of fun to ride, proof that reliability doesn't have to be boring. Its parts are cheap, widely available, and the design hasn't changed much because Suzuki got it right from the start. It's the kind of motorcycle that new riders fall in love with, and experienced riders never let go of. The SV650 isn't just reliable, it's timeless. It's the kind of bike you buy once and keep forever, simply because there's never a reason to replace it. Number 2. Kawasaki Versys 650, a motorcycle built for riders who want adventure without the maintenance headaches. This mid-weight sport tourer has proven time and again that you can pile on miles without worrying about reliability. It's powered by Kawasaki's 649cc parallel twin engine. Smooth, efficient, and nearly bulletproof. It delivers a perfect balance between highway power and daily usability, while the liquid cooling system keeps temperatures stable even in hot conditions or long rides. The Versys 650's strong point isn't just reliability, it's consistency. It starts up every morning, handles rough roads with ease, and barely needs more than basic service. Chain lube, oil changes, and tire checks, that's pretty much the entire maintenance story here. Mechanics often joke that the Versys 650 is the kind of bike they don't see often, because owners never have issues worth fixing. Its suspension setup is forgiving, the ergonomics are relaxed, and the build quality is pure Kawasaki durability. It's also a fantastic option for older riders or long-distance commuters who value comfort and peace of mind. Once you buy it, it's not just a bike, it's a long-term partner that will keep running long after others give up. The Kawasaki Versys 650 doesn't ask for much, just a rider and an open road. Reliable, versatile, and worry-free, this is the kind of motorcycle that keeps your mechanic out of business. Number 1. Yamaha MT-07. A motorcycle that proves reliability doesn't have to be boring. It's been one of the most loved middleweight bikes in the world, and for good reason. It's powerful, practical, and almost impossible to break. The heart of this machine is Yamaha's 689cc P2 parallel twin engine, famous for its strong torque, smooth throttle response, and bulletproof construction. It's simple, airtight engineering that can handle thousands of miles without complaint, and it rarely needs more than routine service. Owners often say the MT-07 just keeps running. Even after years of heavy use, it starts up like the first day. Its low weight and predictable handling make it a joy to ride, while the upright ergonomics keep things comfortable on long trips. This bike isn't just reliable mechanically, it's reliable emotionally. Every time you twist the throttle, it delivers the same grin-inducing experience, no surprises, no breakdowns. The maintenance is easy, the parts are affordable, and Yamaha's engineering makes it nearly indestructible. It's the kind of motorcycle that earns trust mile after mile, a modern legend that simply refuses to die. If you want one bike that gives you excitement and reliability in the same package, the Yamaha MT-07 is it. Ride it anywhere, ride it forever, because this one was built to last. So which of these bikes would you trust to ride forever? With 0 mechanic visits? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep the wheels turning.